What up, Money Gang? In this video, y'all, I'm about to show y'all each step by step of how I made this beautiful baby shower gift crate for my niece, newborn baby. And let's get into this video. Happy Tuesday. It's the money making, it's the money making, it's the money making Monique show. It's the money making, it's the money making, it's the money making Monique show. What's up, Money Gang? It's your favorite money making Monique. And if you are new to my channel, thank you for clicking on Little on Me. And I hope you enjoy this video enough to make you want to hit that subscribe button and that bell so you can know each and every time your girl drop a video. Alright, y'all. So y'all know before we start making the crate, we did have to go buy some baby stuff. And I went shopping with my shopping partner, which is my sister, because it is for her daughter. And this is her, technically, really her gift. I'm just the one that's putting it together. Um, Most all the baby items came from Target and Burlington. Now I won't have any foot of us in Target because it was late at night when we went to Target and we weren't in there very long because Target didn't have a lot of good items that she was looking for. So we just mostly got the essential items from Target and the baby clothes from Burlington. Do everyone have a Burlington in their area? I mean, I know Target is very popular, but I really don't hear a lot of people say they go to Burlington other than in the DMV area. So let me know in the comments. Do y'all have a Burlington in your area? Because I love Burlington. Hell, they the only ones that really still do layaway. And if you know, you know. I love me a good layaway. Now to the fun part. All items did come from Michaels. We got 3 sticks for the 3-inch sticks, a crate, and we got some brown spray paint and some pink spray paint. And the letters also came from Michaels in a bundle. What I'm doing right here is I've already laid out the letters the way that I wanted them to lay on the crate. So I'm just marking the first letter on each row so I can make sure that they stay lined up correctly.
Okay, so y'all know if I'm gonna do something, try to do it big. So right here, I got this wood piece from the Dollar Tree because I said I'm gonna make a little swing and put some lights and everything on it too. Like make it look like I'm a real professional at it. Cause I do have been seeing them a lot around on social media, and I've always said I wanted to do one, but I never got around to do one. Every time someone was pregnant, off my skills, honey. So all I'm doing is just taking some of my brown acrylic and painting all over it, and I'm going to paint the bottom as well. Now, after I finish painting this, I will sit it to the side so it can dry. It's dried in like a good 30, maybe 30 minutes to an hour. It didn't take too long. After I finished wrapping the lights around the crate, it was pretty much dry. Then you're gonna see me use some rope that I also gotten from the $1.25 store, and I'm gonna wrap it around the top pole. If you have made it this far, I do want to thank you for continuing to watch my video. I hope you really enjoyed it. And if you are new to my channel, please do not forget to hit that like bell and that subscribe button so you can know each and every time your girl drop a video. Next video will be on Thursday. And y'all, we coming through for the Women Thursday because it is Women History Month, and Friday will be Women Empowerment National Women Empowerment Day. So I'm coming through with some women empowerment tumblers and showing us some females here and there. So y'all definitely make sure that y'all are connected with me on all my other social media platforms. Go ahead and follow me on those. So close to 500 subscribers, and I'm so excited. I cannot wait to reach 500 subscribers. Once we do reach 500 subscribers, I will be doing a sweet ass giveaway. So you definitely want to make sure you hit that subscribe button and that bell so you can know each and every time your girl drop a video. I ain't gonna keep telling you because we coming hard for 2024. But as always, Laura, love y'all. Thank y'all for supporting me each and every time I do drop a video. Until next time, peace.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow, I think I'll chew it. I wish I knew
making, it's the money making, it's the money making Monique Show. It's the money making, it's the money making, it's the money making Monique Show.